Hi, and welcome to October 2023 product update of Recruiterflow. First things first, we are hosting a webinar on 21st of November at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time and 3:30 p.m. British Time to give you a demo and take any questions that you might have about all the new features that we have released over the last few months. If you can't attend the webinar live for some reason, please make sure that you register for it so that we can deliver the recording to you after it's done. I will put the link to register for the webinar in the description of this video. Now, on to the product update. So the first thing that I want to talk about is campaign scheduling. This feature helps you define schedules when your emails go out. So you can essentially, for a particular day, you can say it can only go out in the working hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you, for some reason, you don't end up sending emails at 10 p.m. your time. You can set up exact hours on which the campaigns will operate. Also, you can set up off days. So we are coming into a holiday season, so you don't want to be sending out emails on Christmas Eve. You don't want to be sending out on Thanksgiving. So you can set it up in a way where you can do that. So to do this, all you have to do is go to settings, go to campaign settings. You will have a default campaign schedules, which is what it is right now, which is send at any point of time. If you don't want to do that, you can edit, you can create a new schedule. I can set up don't run campaigns on 2nd November, 25th December, and on each day I can set it up to send between certain hours of the day, right? So I'm going to put this from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. There we go. That schedule is saved. So now all the emails will go only during those hours on Monday, and you can associate a campaign with any campaign schedule in the campaign settings. So that's number one. Number two is we have an update where you can associate a custom activity with multiple different entities. So here I have an activity called LinkedIn message, and I can now associate this with another candidate. Let's say I have David Wallace as another candidate. I also have Dunder Mifflin as a company record in the system, so Dunder Mifflin. And I'm also going to associate this with Stanley Hudson, who is added as a contact in the system. So there we have it. So you can associate this with multiple people and hit save. And now if you go on Stanley Hudson's profile, you will see the same activity logged over here as well. Apart from this, there is a change in how we treat alias inboxes. So you can have like alias mailboxes to send receive emails either via campaigns, recipes, or just as plain normal emails from Recruiterflow. So it's an important notification. Please make sure that you read that. I will put the link to the blog in the video description as well to read the full announcement. That's pretty much it. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.